Tonight, the desert isn't quiet, it's watching. Because a 2026 EarthRoamer-Style 4x4 Motorhome just rolled in like a luxury monster. And it's the kind of off-grid revolution that makes regular RVs feel obsolete. This is the $500,000 class overland rig built to go farther, stay longer, and live better, without asking permission from the grid. And the wild part, it's engineered to thrive alone. Picture a heavy-duty 4x4 chassis, wearing an armored sculpted habitat module, high clearance, tight overhangs, and a stance that looks ready for war. This class of build is known for tough composite shells, designed to handle brutal weather and constant vibration while staying efficient on weight. Up top, solar panels stretch across the roof like a charging runway, while blackout windows and aggressive lighting turn it into a rolling expedition headquarters. It's big, around 29 feet long, yet the geometry is built for the real world. Serious approach and departure angles, real ground clearance, and a footprint meant to climb, not just cruise. Pair that with a turbo diesel built for torque, and you get something that moves like a tank, with manners. Step inside and it flips the script. Instead of camper vibes, you get warm woods, clean lines, and a space that feels more penthouse than RV. A smart dinette that converts fast, a real galley, hidden induction cooking, and a proper bathroom setup depending on the build. Everything is engineered like a yacht. Storage that locks, cabinets that don't rattle, and a layout that makes living off-grid feel shockingly normal. Most rigs in this category sleep up to 4, with a main bed that feels hotel level, and a cabin that stays calm even when the world outside turns ugly. And the nerve center? A touchscreen command system that manages lighting, tanks, temperature, and power like a digital control room. Underneath, many EarthRoamer-style builds start with a heavy-duty 4x4 platform like a Ford F550 paired to a 6.7-liter turbo diesel V8, built for towing, durability, and long-haul confidence. This isn't about 0 to 60 bragging rights. It's about crawling up loose rock, dragging gear through mud, and then cruising for hours without breaking a sweat. Some configurations can tow up to 10,000 pounds, which means your home can still bring extra toys. Now let's talk off-grid power, because this is where the monster title becomes real. Typical specs in this league can include around 1,480 watts of solar, an 18 kilowatt-hour battery bank, and a 9,000 watt inverter. That's enough to run serious appliances, keep the cabin quiet at night, and power the lifestyle without firing up a generator every time you want comfort. Add big reserves, around 100 gallons of fresh water and roughly 95 gallons of fuel, and you're talking about weeks of autonomy if you travel smart. The innovation isn't one gadget, it's the system. Power, water, insulation, structure, and controls working together so you can disappear comfortably. Safety and capability come from both the platform and the build. Advanced driver assist from the truck side, plus 360-degree cameras, recovery gear, and winch-ready protection for when the trail bites back. At around $500,000, this is a rolling statement of freedom, more attainable than the ultra-boutique $800,000 plus Legends, but still a life upgrade on wheels. So here's the question. Would you rather own a vacation, or a vehicle that turns the whole planet into your backyard? Don't forget to subscribe to Concept Lab for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. Which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments.